Hello guys, review ZTE Blade 50 Design. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB storage in the green color. Okay, open box, look complementation. In complementation we have key for SIM slot, protected back cover. Okay, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Look nice. Plastic body, power button and wall buttons on this side, triple camera LED, slot for SIM cards on this side, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. Open settings. About phone we have iOS 13 and Android 13. Close this. Run Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have IPS Full HD display 90Hz, 6.6 inch, CPU Unisoc T606 and Mali G57 its GPU. Look results. Okay, look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark. Okay, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level and look camera. Video mode we have Full HD 30 FPS. Recording have. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.